country people, and welcome back to my channel today. Chomzy of the Big Brother Naija Level Up season, she don't put to bed, and also Phyna, a guy wey be say dey claim to be her ex-boyfriend, don't come out to come reveal shocking secret about the girl. Of recent, Chomzy and her husband Figo, they welcome their bouncing baby boy, very beautiful boy. They just show us the hand of the pikin. And as she and her husband they celebrate, some netizens, they unhappy about the matter. According to them, they say since Chomzy don born her, make she carry the pikin wey be say dey with her and her husband, carry am go give the mama wey be Figo ex-wife. Those of una wey be say don't know wetin dey sup, Chomzy marry person husband, Figo na person husband before. So the man and the wife they come scatter, their marriage come scatter. The man come carry the pikin, they claim to say na surrogacy na dey take born the pikin. He come collect the pikin from the mama hand, carry am go house. So now when he meet Chomzy, now he and the wife start to dey get issues, according to the story wey be say we dey hear for online. So the man come finally divorce the wife, come marry Chomzy put for house. Ever since they marry Chomzy enter inside the house, Chomzy have been the one taking care of the baby boy wey be say the first wife get. So now wey be say she born her own pikin, instead of people to celebrate her, they call her out for the pikin wey still dey with her. A particular blogger wey be say they call Kutu Jones, na that one I carry the matter for head pass. And this na her write up wey be say she dey claim to say wetin Chomzy do no dey alright. Well, anyhow wey anybody wan live im life, make e live im life. Some women get mind well. Me, I'm not sure say I get that kind of mind, because I don't know as I go even take dey sleep for night, knowing to say na maybe the cause of another person home wey break, or I no go even fit cope. I no like stress for my life sef. But anyways, congratulations to Chomzy on her safe delivery. No easy to born newborn baby, because so many women, once they enter labor, they no dey come out. So na journey messes na dey tell people wey be say dey go there. So I dey grateful to God say she come out successfully. So onto Phyna matter, few days ago, Davido and Whiskey dey banter online. So Phyna come shook her mouth inside the matter. There are other Big Brother Naija people wey shook their mouth put inside. The likes like Tochi for the lockdown season. Katrina even put her mouth inside where she dey drag Whiskey. Wetin be her name? Doyin too put her mouth inside where she dey drag the guy. And some other few people. Tacha too. Tacha, we know to say Tacha normally she dey angry at Davido because the guy no gree look her bobby. Then for Phyna dey angry at Davido because he no gree accept her into his club, into his fan base, na wetin. He just reject the girl just like that publicly. So now that thing na dey vex Phyna since Phyna got to say she no be 30BG anymore, say she dey for Whiskey FC now. So as Whiskey dey drag Davido by balls, Phyna come out dey happy. She come to say she declare her love for Popsi. So as she dey do all those one wey be say she dey do, 30BG dey no gree ignore her. They start to dey drag her, dey insult her. So some of them, na for there now this her ex-boyfriend, alleged ex-boyfriend, come out, come dey claim to say he and Phyna don dey before. So he go talk, if Phyna no respect herself, say he go talk a lot of things about her. So the one now, so you all know the one not like Phyna right from time. Two of them are sworn enemies right now for real life. So he come out, come collect the video of the ex-boyfriend, call use and dey mock her. So make una lis ten for herself.
Phyna, remember what we have shared together, even when you are still coming to my house with the knack, you dey go back your parents' house, everything what we do together. Phyna, you don't forget. Tina, since when you enter Big Brother Naija house comot, you block me for all the social media. You forgot all we have shared together. I know how much I borrowed from my friends, collect from my mom, my dad, to pay for this your Big Brother Naija stuff where you enter. You come out, you forget me. Just like I told you that if you come out of this Big Brother Naija house, you definitely forget me. Just like the way Jesus told Peter. Peter denied Jesus. The same way you denied me. After all I have been through because of you. If you talk about OPO once more again, I go post videos, post a lot of things about you where people go hate you for life. You remember what you dey do for street back then? Nah? You remember how streets be back then? Where the life where you dey live for street back then?
This boy, you no get sense. So you come, they try to disgrace Phyna, say you date her, you come up picture evidence. This one, I know that there's an element of truth in what you are saying, because the girl they quick the ginger, she never come deny him. I know you people dated, but you are very, very delusional. For you to think that she will come and after she win from Big Brother, she will come remember you. Who you be? Who you be? Person neglecting family, papa neglecting family. Who you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? What the hell? You date am 2013, 2014, 2000. Wetin how is that anything? He papa wey born am, he leave am. Who are you? Eh?
The thing wey be say dey tell me for where Phyna dey be say she no dey ever learn. um every day na one fight to another for her. The girl, she no dey ever tire for gbas. See controversy dey sell o, but e get where you go dey controversial reach, pipu go start to dey avoid you, brand go start to dey avoid you. That's just how life works. Imagine chook your mouth for two people wey be say they don make money for their very last generation. Their last generation, no be first generation, the last generation, they don make money for their last generation. Na that kind person na you dey chook your mouth dey put for inside their two fights. Your one BTC, you never talk about am since, so you never tell us how far be the matter with your one BTC. We never see you post one BTC since that day wey you complain about expired Pepsi till today. Na fight wey no concern you, na you chook your mouth put inside. Phyna go dey alright, her Phnation go dey alright. I just hope say everybody go dey alright at the end of the day. Una take care, una bye.